you want to make at least $10 an hour or get paid instantly, cash instantly. I have 12 online surveys that pay cash instantly. Like, you could get cash right now. Number one is called InboxDollars. I know they talk about that a lot, but honestly, I have that also, and it's pretty awesome. You might not make $1 million, but you know what? You do surveys, and you can actually get a physical cash check, or you could get e-gift cards. It's all your choice. But Inbox I've had for years, and it's pretty cool. Number two, I got 12. Stay with me. Number two is called Mypoints. You can earn $5 just for signing up today. You get free gift cards for just taking polls, answering surveys, and so much more. You can do so much on this site. It's called Mypoints. Number three is called Ipsos. In other words, it's called Isay, ISAY. You test and earn, or even they give you products to try, and you keep those products for free. You don't have to pay for the products. You just test them, and you can keep them after you test them. Like, how awesome is that? And you can earn extra points on top of your own points with Isay. Number four is called Survey Club. Just sign up for this one. This is what you do with Survey Club. You create an account. You tell them a little bit about yourself. They match you with studies that's in your area, and you take part in surveys, and they pay you simple cash money or whatever. It's like whatever you want. You can have gift cards. You could get paid via PayPal. You could get e-gift cards. E-gift cards go directly in your email within minutes or even 24 hours. So you get this in like instantly. You can just get paid. Like, if you have $2, you have $2 in the account, you get paid. You got 50 cents, you get paid. I mean, every little bit adds up. So, I mean, why not consider signing up for that one? Then the next one is called Mysurvey, which I have. It's now called Lifepoints. This is number 5. Simply, you just complete surveys. You collect great rewards like gift cards, e-gift cards. They put money in you could get the money in your PayPal, and this is a low threshold, meaning, with my surveys, you get the points, and you could get like $5 every day. Every day you get money. Every day you get cash. If it's 50 cents, 25 cents, 35 cents, and you get up to like $5, $10, and you can cash out. Put money in your PayPal account. Number 6 is called Pinecone Research. You do surveys. You get payout for each survey. You could get from $3 or as high as $12 a survey for Pinecone Research. Basically, you test products and you get paid. Test their products and you get paid. You get gift cards. E-gift cards will go straight into your email account, and you could get payout via your PayPal account. That's number 6. I'm going to bring this money to you. Online jobs, survey sites, whatever I got to bring so you could gain money. I mean, you're not going to be a millionaire, but you know what? I'm going to bring you the money, and you decide what you want to do with it. But I want to give you options at least, so you can make money. Number 7 is called Vindale Research. You earn $2 just for signing up. You sign up today, you get $2 just for signing up. You basically do surveys. You get paid through PayPal. You get gift cards, e-gift cards. Amazon gift cards is the number one. Number one. I know. I don't do the Vindale. I haven't signed, but I got like so many surveys that I sign up, and I do every day. If I don't do the work from home videos, I do my surveys. So that's my work from home. This is what I do. Number 8 is called Prize Rebel. You do surveys, simple surveys. You get gift cards, you get cash via PayPal, and they even got Bitcoins. Whatever that is, they got it called Bitcoins. Number 9 is GlobalTestmarket. So easy. Like, I just love this survey site, and they are very strict. So you basically do their surveys. You could get a few times I got $50 PayPal money put into my PayPal, $50, $60. Like, I'm telling you, do the surveys and you will get paid. Or you can, if you want, you could get your e-gift cards, which just goes right into your email account within minutes. You could get Bitcoins also for this one. Number 10 is called Opinion Outpost. Basically, you're going to be doing the surveys, doing polls, watching, they got little short videos that you can watch, and you can also get points through that. This has the lowest payout threshold, meaning all you need is like a couple of dollars, like $2, $1.50, and you could cash out. That's instant cash. Daily instant cash. And you get paid via PayPal. You get a gift card. Like Amazon. That's the number one. Amazon is the number one. Number 10 is called Toluna. Toluna rewards you with points, in which you can then cash out for vouchers for the usual suspects like Amazon, iTunes, or money through PayPal. I have this one, and it's pretty cool. The other one the last one is called, it's called Onepoll. Do awesome surveys. They have awesome surveys, and you get paid through Amazon, PayPal, or iTunes. Those are the three. And I have gotten Amazon gift cards, maybe like $75. But I do the surveys. Every time they have a survey, I do the surveys and I get the points. Once you hit the $25, you can either get the iTunes gift card or the Amazon gift card, or you could put the money into your PayPal account, and you can use that money in your PayPal account for anything that you want to use it for. Pay a bill, get you some cologne, perfume, lipstick, whatever you want to get. That's your money. And I have this one, the Onepoll, and I absolutely love it. Like, I just 2 days ago, I cashed out $25. And I have another one that, if I mention it, it's called Ipsos. I cashed out with them, and I had got $10. So I had like $35 in there. And I brought a few things for the house. I mean, I got 2 cats, so I have to support my cats. So that's what I do. These are really, really awesome ways to get passive income and make money online using the surveys. These surveys are awesome. They are not they're not scams, because I'm here to tell you they're not scams, because I use them every day. The Onepoll I just signed up for maybe like 2 months ago, and I've been making money. Like, basically making money. Every time I get $25, I almost always use the Amazon card. I get the Amazon gift card, or I don't have iTunes. I'm not crazy about iTunes, but some people are, some of you are. So you have an option. You could take that $25 and get you a $25 iTunes gift card. Like, how awesome is that? So these are 12 that's going to help you make money and put money into your life. You could either get gift cards, Amazon cards, or or put it in your PayPal account. So, and the lowest you get, listen, I want to stress this to you. You get paid every day. If you do a survey, you get paid instantly every day. So imagine making $1.50 here, $2 here, $3. I mean, it depends on how many surveys you have. I have like, I don't know, like 15 survey sites I do. And every day I get paid. Every day money goes into my account and I get the money. Is one that I do and I get like $1. That's like, okay, if I have 15, so basically I'm making like what, $20 an hour? Like, just think about it. Don't think about like, oh, it's one, I'm just gonna make 50 cents or a quarter. No. If you got 5 and 6, you're gonna make 50 cents here, a quarter here, that's 75 cents. And then if you do some more, that's another 75 cents. At the end of the day, you're gonna make at least $10 for that 1 hour. For the 1 hour, you're gonna get paid. So that's what I want to stress to you. You're going to get paid regardless. And the more surveys you have, the more surveys you sign up for, the more money that you're going to make every single day. You can make cash money every day. They don't give you physical cash, but you get cash through PayPal. They got what's the other Sephora, whatever. That is expensive, and you could get the makeup from them because you could get a $25 gift card, and Sephora, you could give $25 gift card, and you can get you a nice little lipstick for like $25. The best one. So don't think that there's not jobs out here, and you cannot work from home, because I'm here to tell you, you can work from home. You can make money from the comforts of your home, front of your computer, or in front of your Android. So don't let nobody tell you that is legit. I'm here. I am proof. I'm here, and I can tell you, I make money every single day. When I finish doing this video, I'm gonna start on my surveys, make my money. That's how I do it. So that's what I want for you. I want you to make money. Do these surveys, make your money, so you can, just as I, get your PayPal full up, get your Amazon cards, get your Bitcoins, whatever that is. Some people use that. I don't even know what that is. But yeah, that's why I want to come to you today and tell you, you can get paid and you can make that money. So this is the 12 that I'm giving you today, and I'm going to put the links on the bottom, and I want you to make money. Make that money. So don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification button on the bottom so you don't miss on any videos that I do. And share the video. And if you want an awesome website or awesome blog, sign up at Bluehost. For you signing up, I get a commission. So for you supporting my channel, I get a commission, and you get an awesome website or awesome blog. Start today, and I will get a commission. So yeah, thank you for coming to my channel. Share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification button on the bottom so you don't miss on any videos that I do. And I do them fresh every single week. Every week fresh. So look for me every week. All right. Thank you for coming to my channel. God bless. Take care, and sign up for these surveys. Sign up at these survey sites so you can get paid too. Take care. Bye-bye.